What's happening, YouTube? So I'm bragging about people who are driving their cars to the 200,000 mile or more mark. Good for you, and congratulations. You have saved yourself tons of money if you've purchased this vehicle brand new and have managed to keep it on the road at 200K. Most cars can go 300,000-400,000 miles with the original motors and transmissions, provided that you maintenance it properly. And that means not exactly following the factory schedule maintenance intervals. Doing your routine maintenance early, tune-ups, tires, bringing it in for every time that you hear a clunk or a rattle or a squeak. That's the best way to keep your car on the road without repairs stacking up. And what I mean by stacking up is, okay, it's got 30,000 miles on it. It's due for a 30K service. Well, what's that? Spark plugs, air filters check, suspension, brakes, blah, 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 cabin air, fuel injection, grease the hinges, fluid services, differential services. It's expensive, but guess what? You have to do that every 30,000 miles. And that's no big deal. It's cheaper than buying a new car every 30,000 miles. So, does it pay to keep your car over 200K? Absolutely. If you're the type of person that doesn't fix anything on your car or do any maintenance, you just bring it in for oil changes, yeah, your car's not going to make it 200,000 miles without needing, a complete rebuild. I could be wrong, but I doubt it. I assure you there's plenty of cars out here with higher mileage than this that are in worse shape or better shape. But I see plenty of cars that today in 2022 with 200K still on the road, still in service, not complete death traps. Some are, some aren't, but in relatively good shape and worth saving or reconditioning or keeping, or having them painted or get the fender fixed or get the mirrors done, get the seats fixed, the carpet. It's worth. It really is. I mean, it really is. If you have to be the guy that is keeping up with the Joneses and has to have a new car all the time, you're just throwing money out the window. And I'm glad, good for you that you can do that. Is it a smart thing to do? I don't care how much money you have. It's not smart to waste money. That's for sure. Thanks for watching.